All right, so I got Gladys up there. She got the water on. See if we can get focused up here. But I don't see any drips. No drips is a good thing. Say hi, yeah.
Hi. We're going to see cars.
Going in to see the cars.
Yeah, I'm attracted to things.
So we actually got a few things we got to do today. Head over to the store, get some stuff for the well house, and then get some propane for the RV. But we wanted to come over here quick, check out some cars before they end at around 1 o'clock. This one looks familiar.
Yeah.
Who's this, ladies?
Hi. I've been doing this before.
That truck.
How y'all?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Yeah, I like that one. I've seen that truck a few times. Nice. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the journey. So it's just me and Willow. Nah, mom and dad are here too. They're actually over still cleaning up on the industrial chic area. And so today I actually had to go to town to get some more stuff for the well. So I know we've been, you know, killing you guys with the series build on as well, but a little sneak peek on that. We're almost done with it. We're gonna get that pipe down to the ground. Yeah, I was having an issue getting the pieces that I need, you know, the pieces for the pipe, right? Because I'm installing a pitless adapter into that. I'm gonna be doing it today, but we had an issue with the RV, man. So I had to show Mom how to drive the tractor. She's still learning. Still trying to figure it out. Yeah. Just push it all the way down. The throttle all the way down. There you go. Yeah. So we'll get over here and get you guys another sneak peek of what's been going on. Dad's pulling out this big old piece of metal. Big old I-beam. All right, good stuff. Yeah, I was teaching Mom how to use the tractor, that way they can get up some of these bigger rocks and stuff like that. And then Dad's still going through getting a lot of the metal and stuff out, and axles and yada yada yada. But all that good stuff. But let's go show you guys real quick what's going on with the RV. All right, so coming down in here. All right. I was at the store and I got Dad to unbolt some of this stuff. But this is all, I don't know if you can see that, but this underbelly is all one piece. I thought it was multiple pieces, but it's not. And I'll try to speak up a little bit over to the generator. Dad's using the saw, so that's fine. But then coming in here, so I was having water drip from around these valves. So I don't know, you might be able to see how wet this is around all that foam. So I came down here and I cut this open. Let's get it laid down here together, and then I'll come up here and look. I shine a light. So that P-trap up here, if you can see that, so there's a P-trap. That piece up going up to the shower, I don't know, you might be able to see the hair sticking out of it. So Gladys had opened this up from up in the shower pan the other day and pulled all the hair out of there. She said it was really, really bad. And I think in doing that, she had loosened this off a little bit. That's just my guess. But I don't think she knew that got loosened off. I'm gonna go up into the RV because there is a little access panel on the bottom that I can reach to that a lot easier than I can from down here, and just see if we can't get that tightened back up. I might have to take it apart first because to get out all the rest of that hair, that nastiness that's there, just get it cleaned out really good, get it put back together, and then see if we're still leaking. And then I gotta close up this panel. That way stuff down here don't freeze. So yeah, see you inside. All right, so what I'm thinking that happened, I'm right now just speculating, until I ask her, that this drain right here, I believe she just came and unscrewed this like this. And what I think had happened, because this whole thing screws onto the pipe down there, I think that it spun on her, and in doing said, it loosened the piping, allowing it to leak. But we'll get this opened because I do not have the key for this. At least I don't believe. I can even ask Dad, but I have a little access panel that's right here. So let's go ahead and get this off. And let's see what we see down below. Hey, can we see? Can you see in there? No, I'm gonna have to go get a flashlight. So be right back. All right, it should be able to see a little bit better. So you can see all that hair right there on that one piece. So obviously that's leaking. Gonna have to undo this off of the P-trap. So let's go ahead and get it all taken apart first, and then we'll get it cleaned up and then put back on there. All right. As Dad and I was able to get the P-trap out, I was trying to do it without getting the P-trap completely out, but I wasn't able to remove this section. But found the culprit. So it's actually this piece here, and it's broken. So even though it has an O-ring that sits here like that, yeah, that sits in there. That sits in there like that, and it's gonna have an O-ring, or this ring actually is what blocks that. But regardless, that's not gonna work if that's cracked. So the water's just spewing out of that. So we're looking to see if we have another one. Otherwise, I have to run to the store. And I think the biggest culprit of why that is broken is because of the wood. So there's not a whole lot of wood. So let me come back up in here, see if I can show you guys. So if you see that block there, it's like barely holding on to anything, right? And then we got a couple different blocks. So I think I'm gonna have to get another piece of wood that spans across this whole thing, and to try to stop that from flexing so much, because that's what's causing that to break, I believe. So no, it had nothing to do with Gladys cleaning this out, because there's no way that would be broken. I guess it was just coincidence that the day after she cleaned it is when it started leaking, from what I had noticed. Because I had noticed leaking on the other side. I was like, oh, I gotta check that out. And then I started seeing the leaking from here, basically a couple days later. And yeah, that's what it's from. So I guess that's what I get for procrastinating. But yeah, we're getting it fixed. So as you can probably see, Dad got some more blocks in there of wood. Why I went to town to get a new piece, this one here. So let me get it all put back in, and then we'll be right back. All right, so I got Gladys up there. She got the water on. See if we can get focused up here. But I don't see any drips. No drips is a good thing. All right, you can turn it off. Thank you. Love you long time. They're up there watching TV, so I can't record a whole lot up there. Otherwise, yeah, you know how that goes. You can't have those things playing, right? Radios, TVs, blah, 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 blah. They're good stuff, but hey, looks like I got it fixed. So hopefully the shower pan won't flex as much. Thanks, Dad, for getting the wood up in there. And this time I replaced it with a metal piece instead of a plastic one. So hopefully it will hold up a little stronger. So,
did you leave the pieces of wood in there like Dad had?
Yeah. Why would I take them out?
Oh. You just wanted to know if they were in the right place.
That's fine. And then we gotta put that flap up. And whew, man, what a day. I didn't even get a chance to work on the well. And that's what I wanted to work on today. But that's all right. I had to make a few trips into town. Continue to work on this. And successful day. We got something fixed. So I definitely appreciate you guys. Got a video you can always check out here. It's greatly appreciated. And then playlist over here, you know, to continue to follow that journey. The little icons makes it easier to subscribe here and to the side channel. It's greatly appreciated. And then last but not least, remember to always thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. We'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.